Hey, so if you want to create clean, engaging explainer videos using AI, you can actually do it pretty fast with Dola AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. It's quick. Once you're in, look for the video generator or explainer video tool. This is where everything starts. Now, this is the most important part. Write a short and clear script explaining your topic. Try to keep it simple and focused. For example, you could explain a product, a service, or even a how-to guide. Just break it into small sections. Next, use the AI to turn your script into scenes or slides. Dola AI will automatically create visuals based on your text. Now you can customize everything, like images, colors, text, and layout. Adjust it to match your style or brand. Then, add a voiceover. You can either upload your own voice or use the built-in AI voice generator. Once everything looks good, preview your video. If it's ready, export it in your preferred format. So, yeah, that's how you can design explainer videos using Dola AI. It's actually a really simple way to turn ideas into videos without much effort. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.